Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Hi everyone, we are so happy you are here with us today.
Today, we're going to talk about a very fun and easy topic. We are talking about hobbies.
Yes, hobbies, the things we love to do when we are not working or studying.
Before we begin our conversation, if you enjoy learning English with us, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please subscribe. It really helps our channel grow, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson with us.
Exactly. Now, Alice, let's start from the very beginning. What is a hobby?
That is a great question, David. A hobby is an activity that you do for fun in your free time. It is something that makes you feel happy, relaxed, and peaceful.
That is a very clear explanation, Alice. A hobby is not work. A hobby is not homework. You do not get paid for a hobby, but you do it because you enjoy it.
Exactly. You do it because you love it. David, what about you? Let's start with your hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time?
My absolute favorite hobby is playing the acoustic guitar. I love music.
Oh, you play the guitar. That is wonderful. How long have you been playing the guitar, David?
Well, I have been playing for about 2 years now. But to be honest, I am still not very good at it. Haha.
Haha, really? Why do you say that?
Because sometimes my fingers hurt, and sometimes I play the wrong notes. My cat runs away when I play.
Haha, that is funny. Poor cat. But that is completely okay, David. You don't have to be a famous musician. The most important thing is that you have fun.
You are so right, Alice. Let's repeat that key sentence for our learners slowly and clearly.
The most important thing is to have fun.
Let's say it one more time together. The most important thing is to have fun.
Beautiful. So, David, how often do you practice playing the guitar?
I try to practice for 30 minutes every evening after dinner. I sit in my living room, tune my guitar, and play simple songs. It helps me forget about the stress of the day.
30 minutes every evening is a great routine. Regular practice is the secret to getting better at anything, whether it is playing an instrument or learning English.
That is so true. Consistency is key. Now, Alice, tell us about your hobbies. What do you like to do when you have free time?
Oh, I have a few different hobbies, but my main hobby is cooking. I absolutely love cooking new meals in the kitchen.
Wow, cooking. That is a very tasty hobby. Are you a good cook, Alice?
Well, most of the time, yes, but I still make funny mistakes sometimes.
Really? Tell us about a mistake you made.
Haha, okay. Last Sunday, I wanted to bake a chocolate cake for my family. I was following a recipe, but I was talking on the phone at the same time. I accidentally put salt in the cake instead of sugar.
Oh no, salt instead of sugar? Haha, how did the chocolate cake taste?
It tasted terrible. It was the worst cake in the world. Haha, my family tried one bite and everyone started laughing.
Haha, that is a great story, Alice. But you see, making mistakes is completely normal. We all make mistakes when we cook, and we all make mistakes when we speak English.
Yes, never be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is how we learn and grow.
Let's repeat this important phrase for our listeners. Making mistakes is part of learning.
Making mistakes is part of learning.
Speak it out loud with us. Making mistakes is part of learning.
Wonderful. So, David, besides playing the guitar, do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I do. I'm a big fan of reading books. I love reading simple storybooks, especially in the evening before going to bed.
That is a peaceful hobby. What kind of books do you like to read?
I like reading adventure stories, short mystery stories, and books about history. Reading helps me relax my mind.
Reading is also one of the best ways to improve your English vocabulary. When you read simple books, you learn new words in context.
Absolutely. For all our beginner learners watching right now, reading short stories in simple English for just 10 minutes a day will help you learn so many new English words.
Yes, that is an amazing tip. Do you read out loud or silently, David?
Sometimes I read silently, but when I practice a new language, I like to read out loud. It helps my pronunciation.
That is a great idea. Reading out loud helps your mouth get used to making English sounds.
Let's ask our listeners a simple question now. Alice, go ahead.
Okay, listeners, think about this. Do you like reading books?
Take a moment and try to answer out loud in English. You can say, "Yes, I like reading books," or "No, I do not like reading books."
Try it right now. Say it out loud.
Excellent job. Practice speaking whenever you can.
David, what about outdoor hobbies? Do you like doing activities outside in the fresh air?
Yes, I love outdoor activities. My favorite outdoor hobby is riding my bicycle in the park.
Oh, cycling. Cycling is fantastic exercise. Where do you ride your bicycle?
There is a big green park near my house. Every Saturday morning, I wake up early, get on my bicycle, and ride for 1 hour around the park.
That sounds wonderful. How do you feel after riding your bicycle?
I feel refreshed, happy, and full of energy. Fresh air and sunshine are good for health.
I agree. I don't have a bicycle, but I love walking in the park. Walking is a very simple and free hobby. You don't need any special equipment, just a comfortable pair of shoes.
That is so true. Walking is easy, healthy, and accessible for everyone.
Let's talk about some other very common hobbies that our friends might have.
Good idea. Let's do a vocabulary builder section for daily hobbies.
Great! First hobby, gardening.
Gardening. Gardening is when you plant flowers, vegetables, or trees in your garden or on your balcony.
My grandmother loves gardening. She grows beautiful red tomatoes and colorful flowers.
That is sweet. Next hobby, photography.
Photography. Photography means taking pictures or photos with a camera or a smartphone.
Many people love taking photos of nature, animals, or delicious food.
Yes, another popular hobby is listening to music.
Listening to music. Almost everyone loves music. You can listen to music while cooking, cleaning, driving, or relaxing.
Listening to English songs is also a great way to practice your English listening skills.
That's right. Next hobby, watching movies or TV shows.
Watching movies. Many English learners love watching English movies with English subtitles.
Subtitles are very helpful because you can read the words while you listen to the pronunciation.
Another dynamic hobby is playing sports.
Playing sports, like playing football, basketball, badminton, or tennis.
Playing sports is great because it keeps your body fit and allows you to make new friends.
Exactly. And what about traveling?
Oh, traveling is an incredible hobby. Traveling means visiting new cities, new countries, and exploring different cultures.
Traveling expands your mind and lets you practice English with people from all over the world.
Let's repeat these hobby vocabulary words slowly and clearly so our learners can practice their pronunciation.
Repeat after Alice.
Playing the guitar.
Playing the guitar.
Cooking delicious food.
Cooking delicious food.
Reading interesting books.
Reading interesting books.
Riding a bicycle.
Riding a bicycle.
Walking in the park.
Walking in the park.
Taking photos.
Taking photos.
Listening to music.
Listening to music.
Traveling to new places.
Traveling to new places. Great job, everyone! Your pronunciation is getting better every single day.
David, can a person have more than one hobby at the same time?
Absolutely, Alice. You can have as many hobbies as you like. For example, you can cook on Monday, read a book on Wednesday, and ride a bicycle on the weekend.
That keeps life exciting and varied. Having different hobbies helps us stay creative and happy.
Now, let's practice some daily English conversations about hobbies. Alice, let's pretend we are meeting each other at a coffee shop.
Okay, let's do a role play.
Hi, Alice. Good to see you today. What are you doing this weekend?
Hi, David. Good to see you too. This weekend, I am going to stay at home and bake some fresh bread. It's my new hobby.
Oh, baking bread. That sounds amazing. Is it difficult to bake bread?
A little bit, but I am following a very simple video recipe online. What about you, David? What are your plans for the weekend?
I am going to the park to practice playing my guitar under a big oak tree.
Wow, playing guitar in the park sounds so peaceful. Can I come and listen to your music?
Sure, but only if you bring some of your fresh baked bread. Haha.
Haha, deal. Fresh bread for good music.
Haha, that is a great deal.
See how easy it is to talk about hobbies in English? You just use simple words and present continuous or simple present tenses.
Yes, let's review the key question forms you can use when you want to ask someone about their hobbies in English.
Question 1. What do you like to do in your free time?
What do you like to do in your free time? This is a very common and natural question.
Question 2. What is your favorite hobby?
What is your favorite hobby? Very simple and direct.
Question 3. What do you do for fun?
What do you do for fun? Friends often ask this when they want to get to know you better.
Question 4. Do you have any hobbies?
Do you have any hobbies? Simple and easy to answer.
Now let's review how you can answer these questions in simple English.
Answer 1. In my free time, I like to. For example, in my free time, I like to listen to music.
Answer 2. My favorite hobby is, for example, my favorite hobby is cooking.
Answer 3. I enjoy. For example, I enjoy walking in the park.
Answer 4. For fun, I love to, for example, for fun, I love to watch movies.
Let's practice saying these answers out loud together.
Ready? In my free time, I like to practice English.
In my free time, I like to practice English.
My favorite hobby is learning new things.
My favorite hobby is learning new things.
You are doing fantastic. Remember, consistency is the key to mastering English listening and speaking.
Even if you only spend 5 to 10 minutes every day listening to clear English conversations like this one, your brain slowly gets comfortable with the language.
Yes, don't rush. Take your time, relax, and enjoy the process of learning.
Now, we have a fun little question for all our viewers today.
Yes, we want to get to know you better.
Please write a comment down below in the comments section and answer this simple question.
What is your favorite hobby and why do you like it?
You can write a very short and simple sentence in English, like, my favorite hobby is gardening because I love flowers. Or, my favorite hobby is playing football because it is fun.
We promise to read your comments and reply to as many as we can.
Practicing writing in the comments is also a fantastic way to practice your English.
Thank you so much for watching, listening, and practicing with us today. You did an amazing job.
If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, share it with your friends who are learning English, and don't forget to subscribe.
Keep practicing every day, stay confident, and remember that making mistakes is completely normal.
See you all in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Have a wonderful day ahead.